Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Vrbo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to log in into your Vrbo account, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.vrbo.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Vrbo. However, before that, you need to verify that you are a human being by following the on-screen prompts given on this screen and by simply testifying yourself by giving out the correct answer to the AI. So after the verification is completed, you will be taken to the official website of Vrbo where you can find the sign in option. So simply tap on the sign in option and there you can find the email option where you need to type in your registered email and hit the continue button. After you have done this as well, you need to now type in the verification code sent to your email or simply tap on enter password instead to tap in your password to get logged in your account. So once you're done filling in all the credentials, hit the sign in button and you will be logged in or signed in into your Vrbo account. So now you can simply enjoy surfing your Vrbo. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.